So kata today I'm going to go through is this parse float that TJ and Mac were talking about. It says I've already done this kata. I honestly don't remember doing it. But it says write a function parse float which takes a string list and returns a number or none if conversion is not possible. And they give us some examples. So I'm going to use this one as my test case. And I'm just going to write it in this. So test is going to be this. So there's several ways to do this, or at least several ways that I'm kind of thinking about. So I could do this, and then I'll convert it to a float. And then if this is like a letter, it'll throw an error. So I could do like a try except statement, which is what I want to try first. So it'll do try and return float. Oh, I can't spell float a string except. Yeah, I think it's important with a except statement. When you're doing a try except statement, you don't want it to handle. You don't want it to typically want it to handle every type of error. You want to only handle, in this case, a value error. So I want to try that. Oh, where did I go? Except value error. Value error. And it's supposed to return none. So let's test it out. And we passed all these cases, so let's try it out. And float argument must be a string or a number, not list. So these instructions wish they were a little bit more in detail. It takes a string or a list. So I think what I want to do is I want to check if it is a list. So if type string is equal to list, then I want to make the string, I want to combine everything. So this would be dot join string. That way, if what this does right here is, if I have a number, if I have a list like this, I think this is what they're kind of leaning toward. If it's something like this, if this is my input, what this dot join will do will combine everything with no space in between. Oh, dot join. So cool. So if it is a list, turn the list into a string, which is what this line does, then do my try except statement. So all those pass still, and now all that passes. So that's one way. The other way I was thinking is there is a string operation called isDigit that I wanted to try. So if you do like this, I believe it's is. So I'm honestly not sure what the difference between isDigit and isNumeric is. Now let's try the same thing with isNumeric. Now let's try it with a 0.0 and 0.0. And so this is the problem with isDigit and isNumeric. Honestly, difference between isDigit and isNumeric. Huh, I don't know. Oh, there's an isDecimal. I think that'll work. That does not work. Interesting. Yeah, this is digit is numeric is honestly a little bit confusing. So this, I think I want to use is digit in this case. I'm not 100% sure. We'll test it out though. But the thing with is digit is it can't handle the decimal point. So this would be how I want to do this if I wasn't going to do a try except statement. I wanted to use like an if else statement. So I want to do a dot replace. I want to replace the period with nothing and then run is digit on it. So now it shows up as true, but if I do something like this, where there's a character in it, it still returns false. So let's try this out. So if, oh shoot, I still need to do that. I still need to do the, if it's a list, if string is equal to true, then return float of string. And I want to remove the string because this is a variable. Else return none. Let's see if that works. So it passed all those test cases, but the test cases are pretty simple. And it worked for that as well. So this would be my approach to this problem. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.